Friends, ito yung unang consequence na pag-uusapan natin. No? So, yung premise nga ng video na to is that your policy has terminated, okay, and kailangan i-reinstate. Okay? Pero, sa mga life insurance plan yan, before termination usually happens, magkikick in muna yung tinatawag natin na, or I personally call na, yung cash reserve na function ng isang plan. Right, mga friends? If yung plan mo is a traditional plan, okay, or also known as an ordinary life na plan, yung cash reserve function nito would be yung cash value ng plan. Alright, mga friends? Sa VUL naman, ito yung account value, which is yung investment component ka ng plan, no? So, ayun na mga friends, as the name suggests, cash reserve function nga. One of the main functions nito is to pay your basic insurance coverages. Alright, my friends? Kasi ayun na, no? Your plan is a life insurance / health insurance at its core. Okay, so yung primary purpose nun is to protect you financially, to give you coverage for life and or health related events. Di ba, mga friends? So yun, pag naubos na yung cash reserve function ng mga friends, no? Well, dun na mag-terminate yung policy. Alright? The longer you're paying for a plan, mga friends, no, the bigger this cash reserve function is. Okay? So, mas malaki yung leeway mo. And, the more you can miss premiums. Okay? Pero of course, hindi ko sinasuggest na abusuhin yon. Okay? Sometimes, may time talaga na parang gipit talaga. And I understand that. Pero hopefully, hindi nyo paabutin na mag-terminate nga yung plan. Alright, mga friends? Now, doon naman tayo sa mga consequences if mag-terminate yung plan. Alright? Friends, in reinstating your plan, kailangan kasi usually i-reevaluate yung health nyo. Okay? And if na-diagnose ka ng pre-existing condition, nagkaroon ka siguro ng sakit during that time, okay? Well, you're gonna have to be honest, okay, in declaring that. And, pwede ka mag-expect ng increase sa premium mo, okay? Halimbawa, you're 5 years into a plan, no? Pero last year, nagkaroon ka pala ng diabetes. Reasonable yung ganun kasi past the contestability period, okay, which is usually 1 year. Alright? Pero by the 4th year, nagka-diabetes ka, okay? Tapos by the 5th year, you missed your premium, tapos eventually nag-terminate yung plan mo. And at that point pa rin, diabetic ka pa rin, okay? Ayun, kailangan mo i-declare yun, tapos mas mahal na typically yung magiging premium mo for the same plan you had before. Okay? So friends, be very wary about this, no? This is also why sinasuggest namin na bumili ka ng plan habang bata ka pa. Kasi mas healthy ka pa yun. And mas mura pa. Diba, mga friends? Ito naman tayo sa third consequence, mga friends, no? Of course, the more you miss your premium or na-miss mo nga yung premium tapos eventually you miss it again, well, lalaki yung parang utang mo ba? Kasi if you want to parang enforce back your insurance coverage, of course, you're gonna have to pay for the missed premiums, okay? Whether it's quarterly or monthly, okay? Or annual or semi-annual na premium, mga friends. I'd say most companies will require you to pay all the missed premium first, okay? Kung gusto niya mabalik yung coverage nyo. Which is a good segue to the fourth consequence, mga friends, no? Is that, well, at least dito para sa amin sa AIA, if you decide nga to just let your plan lapse, you're gonna have to wait 3 years ulit to buy a new plan, to be able to buy a new plan. Right, my friends? Basically, how do I say this? This is how most most life insurers filter out yung mga clients who can't really pay, okay? Or parang ano na lang din, parang maintaining trust in the business nga, no? Pero basically, mga friends, at least dito sa amin si AIA, you're gonna have to wait 3 years again to buy a new plan if pinalaps mo yung previous plan mo. Alright, mga friends? And on a tangent din, mga friends, isasuggest ko rin na huwag nyo ipalaps yung, ayun ano, kung mapipilitan talaga kayo na tigilin yung plan, huwag nyo ipalaps. Instead, i-return nyo yung plan ba? Kasi, ayun na, ano, di ba, na-mention ko rin yung cash reserve function. Another purpose of that, mga friends, is mabalik yung pera mo or whatever cash. Kasi may naiipon yun eh. Sa kada premium mo, parang may konting naiipon. Okay? So, pag ni-return mo yung plan mo, yung konting naipon na yun, mababalik sa'yo. Okay? That's for traditional plan. Kung VUL naman yung plan mo, ay na, no, hindi mo na-afford na ipagpatuloy, gusto mo itigil, pag return mo yung plan mo, ibabalik yung whatever amount is in your account value. Ibibigay namin sa inyo yun. Ibibigay namin sa inyo yun. Okay? And ayun, may cash or may pera kang naiuwi ba? Minsan lower, or typically lower nga, it's gonna be lower than the total premiums you've paid. Pero at least na-return mo yung plan mo, hindi mo pinalaps. Tapos hindi rin mag-take effect yung 3-year na gap ba? Kasi parang clean slate ulit yun. Right, my friends? So yun lang, mga friends. I hope may I hope may na-learn kayo, no? Those are the four consequences if you miss your premium. Okay, my friends? So, yeah. Don't miss your premium, okay? Hanggat maaari, keep paying. Tapos, if napilitan talaga kayo na hindi nyo na ipagpatuloy, huwag nyo ipalaps, i-return nyo yung plan. Alright, my friends. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and next time ulit,